Hello YouTubers. This video today is about Bok Choy and the problem I've had with trying to raise Bok Choy from seeds. I transplanted these from this grow bag here, and as you can see all of these have gone to seed, bolted. And looking at these, it looks like pretty much all of these, even at this tiny stage here, are going to seed. I tried as an alternative transplanting these into net pots, but the same problems occurred here. All these plants, even at this young stage, have gone to seed. In contrast, look at these Bok Choy plants which have self-seeded. They haven't bolted, so this tells me that the conditions are right for growing these plants. Bok Choy are photoperiod sensitive plants, and if the daylight hours consistently exceed 16 hours a day, or the temperature drops below 12 degrees centigrade, then they're liable to bolt. So that suggests to me that the reason my plants have been bolting elsewhere is because I've been inconsistent in watering them. And that has been a problem, is that I haven't been able to get to the plants on a regular basis to water them. The problem with these plants is, you can see leaf miner damage and lots of Perez rapi eggs, the dreaded cabbage moth or white butterfly. I've got another plant here which also self-seeded, and I've actually left a seed because I want to get some seeds to grow from it. It did actually reach a decent size which I could have harvested to eat, but I want to see how well it does as a seed source. So given that the problem, I think, is a lack of water, I'm trying a different way where I'm starting my seeds in net pots using hydroton or hydroton. And they seem to be doing okay. The problem I'm having with these, I don't know if you can see that easily, is that the goldfish were nibbling on the roots. So you've heard of air pruning of roots. The problem I'm having is goldfish pruning. Now I'm going to take these seedlings here and transplant them once they're a bit bigger into separate net pots. I should have only put one seed into one net pot, and all I did was just drop these seeds right into the hydroton, and they came up. Now because I don't want the goldfish nibbling on the roots, I'm going to try and grow them out first in this small aquarium using the same fish water. Now this is something interesting. You can see this Bok Choy plant here, which seems to be quite healthy, and this basil as well, which has got a little bit of leaf damage but otherwise looks to be pretty good. And I'll just take you outside to look at the same plants that these were taken from. So I got the basil from here, and you can see that these basil plants have basically died or rotted away or whatever, and the Bok Choy is not as good as the other one grown in water alone. And I think the problem is mainly leaf miner damage. So you can see how badly these leaves have been eaten into. So I'm hoping that I can grow these plants out to a size that would be suitable for transplanting into soil, as I just don't have enough space to try and grow these plants hydroponically or even aquaponically.